And him say, first time I be love, I know you have it there. First time I be love, come over here. I say, officer, ease out, don't you have no fear. Officer, ease out and don't be judged by my hair. I was getting down there, and I buck up in my old blue sea. And he asked how my eyes so red. I say, it's a good old Caligreen. And him say, Rastaman be love, I know you have it there. Rastaman be love, so come over here. And I say, officer, ease out.
Hey, you dreadlock boy. Get lost. You're trying to stop it. Why? You don't respect the law when the law says that.
Taliban, and him say, so me got it man. And him a search for a spliff, couldn't find it. Never know, say me is a chalice man. This is a recent thing and an anachronic one. This is an ancient tradition. It is a gift to the wise and a long time. Them a steam in Afghanistan, India and Pakistan. Not to mention Africa. The best indeed in the West Indies, burning by the rivers of Babylon. Westmoreland, everybody's one. West in the rain for a magic cup. Some of the officers make we talk down because of the same one in a chronic spot. I don't know it's gonna work out with the Rasta man. Say, yes, Dad, I've been steaming from morning till my eyes got red, and I don't got no more. Can I do for myself? Rastaman be love, don't have it there. Rastaman be love, come over here. And I say, officer, ease up, don't have no fear. Officer, ease out and don't be judged me by my head. I was walking down the street and I woke up in the ODC. Say that the smell of the good old trees. Rastaman, what can you do for me? Say, Rastaman be love, I know you have it there. Rastaman be love, come over here. And I say, officer, ease out, don't you have no fear. Officer, ease out and don't you judge me by my hair. Regular walking pants on the morning, everything nice and easy. We just garden figure me yard, figure put on my dress and peace. One Martinique up the road with me and the old blue sea. All this bread the pocket, we are ready for easy. I don't disturb my peace.
What's going on? I find out.
Just cool, man. No we call challenge design, it's just high, man.
So the iron sweat, so.
You want to see some Babylon boy around the mine? I dash your please. You see, I don't know why I'm going to tell I impress.
So jump on the nut and go on the touch area.
Sure.
That's all right. Sorry, them are running high down. So fast, man. Look at the I can see what I'm eating. I can. Is vital in a man. You can remember starting some other
promised land. Unto the promised land. Take me to the promised land. Then I said to myself, give a thanks for the prophet God. For he gave me the teaching so I could see the reality of man it should be. I live it here. There's a lot of work to be done, oh gosh, in the promised land. Yeah, talking about the promised land. Oh, the promised land. The promised land. Take me to the promised land. The promised land. The promised land. Take me to the promised land. Oh God, the promised land. Brother man, what are you doing for the promised land? God to take your stand and let the prophets live on. Yeah, there's work to be done. Though you can't run, got a job to be done, so you got to do it even. I need to violate the promised land. Going to the promised land. I said the promised land. Go to the promised land. Prophets of the old said the ways got to perish. Yeah. Don't let your hopes and aspirations drown before you. No way. Got to go. Gotta go. I gotta go. I got to go. Gotta go to the promised land. I said, take me to the promised land. Oh.
that.
You are the bar, say see it by your mouth. You are the key, say see it by your teeth. Creation of the bar, see it by your mouth. Every thief is a liar, every liar is a a thief.
I'm gonna say give them young boy.
Yo, I wanna play FIFA. So what the ball is for? Nah man, come out for the phone man, make a play some real ball man. I want to remember you tell Teflon tell. Say what then you tell Teflon, can you say it like a dog sapphire? Don't believe it, you're wicked. Have another lady, like you tell me, say she have a man ready for Ibrahim.
Tell it what me now. Much like Mega get when she got Instagram. No, yeah, idiot girl.
Good children, rock one. I wanna tell. No man, self is everything. So make we take some picture and walk one and you get more likes to that. Because I hope one day we can be beautiful like them too, you know? So we give thanks and take care of yourself. Rasta.
Your motor go put you in a problem.
Wagwan. How we are dealing? Family time, man. Right now, some of the people fair play right now. If no belly full of load, right, you can't sit down and look on food. Now be six. Granite. Your mouth never eat no sleep, no slumber. Hear me? So me know you is a Peter Plunder. Come like in a fear, the man my roll with thunder. Never so my feature class at 32 to the sun.
Your motor go put you in a problem.
Deep problem.
OJ. Your motor go put you in a problem. OJ.
Come again, it.